The world is evolving rapidly, and technology is playing a crucial role in shaping its future. One such technological advancement making waves right now is the development of AI chatbots. After OpenAI came out with DALL-E 2 and kickstarted numerous conversations about AI and art, we thought AI couldn't get any better. However, we were sorely mistaken because the same company came out with ChatGPT, an amazing language model that has been trained by OpenAI to answer all sorts of questions and have conversations just like a human. When you seem to think about it, this could make way for boundless possibilities and restructure the way we interact with technology. Imagine you had a robot who could answer all your questions as seamlessly as a human, with the knowledge of the entire internet at its disposal. Well, with the advancement OpenAI has made with this chatbot and a little more tweaking, ChatGPT could very well be that robot. From generating poetry and song lyrics, aiding with diagnosis and suggesting treatments, as well as assist with legal research and document preparations, ChatGPT has already begun to integrate itself in different spheres of life and profession. We predict that soon it will be far more capable than what it is being used for, and thus today we are going to be covering 8 ways ChatGPT will change the world. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Improved customer service. ChatGPT can operate around the clock, providing instant assistance to customers anytime, anywhere. This can greatly enhance the overall customer experience, as they no longer have to wait for support hours to get their queries resolved. The AI-powered language model can understand natural language and respond conversationally, making it easier for customers to communicate their needs. Imagine the relief of online shoppers everywhere when they don't have to deal with clunky and awkward chatbots that misinterpret their complaints or have to wait hours to talk to an actual person. You can kiss those head-banging interactions goodbye if ChatGPT is installed into this website, because with the AI, conversations will be far more seamless. Also, if ChatGPT is integrated with platforms like Amazon, Alexa, or Google Assistant, it could be providing natural language responses to customers through voice commands. This can result in a more personalized and satisfying customer service experience. And that's not all. Because its responses are not affected by emotions or fatigue, a consistent level of quality in customer service interactions will be ensured. Number 2. Advancement in healthcare. ChatGPT has the potential to advance healthcare in several ways. It can assist patients in navigating the healthcare system and provide answers to common medical questions, reducing the need for in-person visits to healthcare facilities. Instead of having to wait to see a medical professional when you have a headache or cramps, the AI could give you general assistance and simple prescription. This could reduce the workload for healthcare practitioners, eliminate self-medication, and it could save you quite a few bucks that would have been spent on consultation fee. No more long waits in the hospital sounds like a dream come true if you ask me. Apart from patients, ChatGPT could also assist healthcare professionals in making clinical decisions by providing relevant information and guidelines, as well as help in managing clinical trials by assisting in patient recruitment and follow-up, reducing the time and cost of trials. By assisting in the management and updating of electronic health records, ChatGPT can both reduce the burden on healthcare providers as well as improve data accuracy. Number 3. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can provide personal assistance such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and providing information on various topics, taking care of organization and routines so you can focus on actual work. Virtual assistance doesn't have to be for just work life, as ChatGPT could assist customers in finding products, comparing prices, and placing orders, improving the overall online shopping experience. And if that's not enough assistance for you, ChatGPT can also provide technical support, assist customers in troubleshooting common problems, and providing step-by-step instructions on how to solve the issues they are having. It's basically a work buddy, shopping bestie, and IT guy with all the knowledge, accessibility, and none of the stress. Sign me up, please. Number 4. Content creation. Yeah, ChatGPT can also take the world of entertainment, publishing, and writing in a whole new direction. For example, you can generate text-like articles, summaries, and product descriptions. This basically helps reduce the time and effort required for manual content creation. You can also use it in storytelling by generating narrative dialogue and inspiring creative expressions. Just imagine being able to create literary works from any genre with just the push of a button. Sounds like the premise of a future utopian fantasy. Maybe we could get ChatGPT to write that. If you like this video so far and would like to see similar videos that cover topics like this, then subscribe to become a member of this community of learners and doers. Number 5. Enhanced translation services. Machine translation services could be immensely improved thanks to ChatGPT's context awareness and human-like responses. The language model can understand the context and intent of a text and generate a translated response that is more accurate and natural than traditional rule-based machine translation methods. Also, ChatGPT can be fine-tuned on specific domains to improve the translation quality for a specific industry. This way, its translations are personalized, leading to better experiences and higher satisfaction. Number 6. Improved e-commerce. We've talked about how ChatGPT could assist customers as an AI chatbot to provide 24/7 customer support, answering frequently asked questions and helping customers with purchases. But on top of that, the AI could improve the search functionality of an e-commerce website by providing more accurate and relevant search results based on natural language. Queries can be trained on patterns of fraudulent behaviors to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions in real time, and can even be used to automate and optimize various tasks in the supply chain management processes, such as order tracking and inventory management. ChatGPT would be a huge game changer in the world of e-commerce. Being able to type into the search bar and find exactly what you're looking for will not only increase purchases, but also eliminate the slight annoyance you feel after hours of scrolling on a website looking for products you're worried doesn't exist. It's a win-win situation for everyone if you ask me. Number 7. Advancements in education. With its broad general knowledge base, even students and teachers can get a piece of the action. ChatGPT can be used to grade assignments, freeing up teachers' time for more important tasks such as providing individualized feedbacks to students. It can also help with improving language education by providing real-time translations and conversation practice, helping students to develop their language skill more effectively. By leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, education can become more efficient, personalized, and accessible to a wider range of students. To the convenience of students and academians everywhere, ChatGPT can also aid in research, compiling all the necessary information, making it easier for them to write essays or articles and the like. Number 8. Improved accessibility. For us, the most important way ChatGPT will change the world is making it a more accessible place for everyone. For people who are deaf, hard of hearing, or have difficulty with verbal communication, the language model could help with communication through text-based channels, making it more accessible to them. It will also help people who are in a foreign country and have a hard time integrating or making friends because they're struggling with the language. ChatGPT could translate and educate on the people's customs and mannerisms. Since the AI can understand natural language, context, and can remember previous conversations, it could also be able to understand people with cognitive or language-related disabilities. And that's it, folks. ChatGPT is undoubtedly one of the most exciting advancements in the field of AI technology. Its ability to generate human-like text based on vast amount of data and its potential for a wide range of applications make it a game changer for the future. With its ability to adapt, learn, and evolve, ChatGPT is truly the future, and we can't wait to see how it will change the world for the better. Thank you for watching till the end. If you've enjoyed this video today, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. And don't forget to share with your friends and family as your little contribution to help this community grow.